This is the bodyweight squat. It builds leg strength and hip mobility. Begin with your feet shoulder width apart. The chest is tall. Hold your arms out in front of you or behind your head for more postural benefits. Inhale and sit your hips back and down until the tops of your thighs are at least parallel with the floor. Then exhale and drive through your heels to stand tall. At the bottom of the squat, make sure that your knees are in line with your feet. They're not caving in. You always want your knees and your ankles to be stacked on top of each other. To make this easier, you can always squat to a box or chair or just use less range of motion. To make this harder, you can go slower, you can hold a weight, carry a backpack, or my favorite, perform a bouncing, walking squat. Go deep with these squats, but make sure you're keeping your chest tall.